Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. In this video, I will be demonstrating to you how you can buy your cryptocurrency from P2P. So I would try as much as possible to make it simple so that you get the steps for you to buy crypto yourself. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel so that you'll be getting new videos as soon as I drop them. So without wasting much of our time, let's go right in. Now, for you to get to the P2P tab, like I earlier discussed in the previous video, there are two ways in which you can get to the P2P tab. You either use the P2P trading tab directly from here, or you come to wallet here and then follow the process. So we are going to make use of this so that next time you get it more easily. So we go through the wallet option. So you click on wallet, then after clicking on wallet, then excuse me, you click on wallet, so it's going to bring you to this page. Then what you do next is to click on funding. You click on funding, then you click on P2P here. You click on P2P. So this is the P2P page where you can purchase your crypto, and as you can see, there are different coins that you can buy. You can buy USDT, you can buy BTC, you can buy BUSD, you can buy BNB, ETH, NGN, DAI. So you can also sell, because we have the buy tab. This is the buy tab, and also the sell tab. So if you want to sell your crypto or you want to buy, this is the page you come to. So let me also show you that we have something called Express in this tab. So if you click that area I just marked now, let me click it so that you can see that we have something called Express. With Express, you can also buy your crypto easily, and this will not give you the option of choosing from a particular person you want to buy from. What you just do is, as soon as you click it, you enter the amount you want to buy, then you buy. So if you want to sell as well, this is the sell tab. You enter the amount you want to sell, there you sell. So that is for Express. So we are not using Express, we are using P2P directly. So I'm going to go back to P2P. So here you'll be able to choose from which of these sellers. Let's assume that we want to buy 20,000 naira worth of USDT now. So what to do, because people's prices or limit vary, as you can see that this limit, the lowest amount this person is ready to sell is around 272,000. This person is selling 83,000 as his lowest, and so on and so forth, like that. So if you didn't see the amount you want to buy here, what you need to do is to come to this filter area, or you use this amount to enter the particular amount you want to enter. So let's use a filter so that you'll be able to see this filter. Then we want to buy 20,000 naira worth. Then you click on bank transfer, because you are using bank transfer here. Then you click on yes. So as you can see, we have from 1,000 to 68,000. So I can buy that of 20,000 naira from this first person up here. So I can buy that of 20,000 naira. So let's click on let's buy. You click on buy, then you enter the amount 20,000. You also do well to check the person's terms. It says please do not Please do not include BTC in the narration. Pay ABS show proof. So that is terms. So you need to confirm the person you are trading with, the terms or the condition they are putting forth before you go into transaction with them. So you click on buy with zero fee since I've entered the amount. So as you can see here, there's still another message here. So this is a prompt message. So you need to click that as well to confirm what he has written there and see. Says please do not include the same thing that was written in the previous page. So what you do now is you come to this payment page. You click on payment page. So if you are not satisfied with the person you want to trade it, you can click on cancel here. But since you want to go ahead with the trading, we click on payment page in order to show the details of the person we want to transact with. So as you can see, this is the details of the person. You can see his name, his account number, and his bank. So as soon as we are finished making the transfer, then we click on I have transferred to notify the seller, because this transaction right now, the person's amount that have indicated here would have been on hold. So now what we do is we transfer and we notify this person we have made the transfer. So I'm going to copy his account details right now and do the transfer. So I'll go to my bank app and make the transfer. Fortunately, it's also using Kuda. So the payment had been made. I've made payment to him right now. So I'll need to click on transferred notify seller. So a moment please. So you click on this error that is bringing, or that is showing on your screen right now, is as a result of some technical issues with Binance. Although it has notified the person that I've paid, it has notified the person that I've paid already. So you can also send a message. Can you see now that is saying that, although with the error that it was showing before, saying you have marked the order as paid, please wait for seller to confirm and release the asset. So we are going to wait for him to release our money, to release our USDT, I mean the coin that we purchased. So let me just notify him that I have paid so that he will release the crypto. So let's wait for him to release the asset. Still waiting. You're waiting. Can you see? He has released our USDT. So the USDT that we bought for 20,000 naira is equivalent to 35.44 USDT. So when it has been released to you, you click on done here. Then if you want to, you can rate the person. So let me give him a positive feedback, because I think he's fast with the transactions, with the transaction we did. So, and you can also, we also have the option to leave a comment in case the person has done something wrong that you want to let others know. You can click on leave a comment down there and leave comment. So we have bought USDT now. Let us go and see for ourselves. But before I show you the USDT we bought, if you are doing a transaction, you would have your orders appearing here. As you can see on your screen right now, you can see that it's showing that I'm having 2 orders showing down there. Those transactions, I did them before making this video, and those persons are here to confirm. They said they're here to get the money. So I already told them, as soon as you receive the payment, please confirm the transaction, because I made the payment. I made payments to like 10 other people and they have confirmed. So their own, it's as a result of the bank. So you'll be able to see the details and everything here. So that is what I want to show you. So if you're having a pending transaction, they appear here, and if you're having any completed transaction, would appear there, so that you can see your history right there. So let's go and see the USDT we bought right now. So let's reload. So this is the USDT, although okay, let me, now I'm having 46 because I was having some coin in there before. That's why you are seeing this 46. That's why I seeing 46 USD. So the USD is supposed to be around 35 USD. So now we have bought the coin. So if you want to trade, because you cannot trade your coin from this funding or from this tab, you will need to move your coin from funding, then you send it to spot wallet. It is on the spot wallet that you'll be able to trade any coin that you want to trade. So you need to click on this transfer and move it to the spot wallet. So let's do that now so that you'll be able to see it. So what you do is you click on transfer here. Then from this tab you can see that we have funding. You can see we have funding here, we have spot wallet here, and this arrow shows that you can move from here to here, from funding to spot, or from spot to funding. So, and here you will need to click which coin are you moving, and here you will need to enter the amount you want to move. Maybe it is everything or a specific amount, you would need to enter it here. So let's explore it more so that you can see it for yourself clearly. So here you can click on this arrow up and down to change from spot to funding or from funding to spot. So we want to move from funding, that's where we have our coin we just bought, then we want to move to spot wallet. So you click on this in order to enter the coin that you want to move. So you click on it, then from this search hub here, you can enter the coin you want to move, or you click it from the search history. I already have it, but let me just enter the coin, which is USDT. Can you see now? So you click on USDT. So I want to move all, we click on max. So if you want to move, let's say 20 out of it now, or let's say 35.44 we bought, so you click on 35.44, then you click on confirm transfer. So you will see that we now have 10.99 left, which shows that the money or the coin has moved from funding to spot. So we click on spot to check the money we have moved. So you can see it now that we have the USDT in our spot wallet. It is from this spot wallet that you'll be able to trade your coin with any other crypto. If your coin is in the funding wallet, then you will not be able to trade. So if we want to sell as well, the same process will be done. So since we have our money in the fund, in the in the spot wallet, what we do is that we click on this transfer. We click on transfer here, then you move your money from spot to funding. So let's do that so that you see. We click from spot to wallet, then we click on the coin. We are moving USDT. So since you want to move everything, you click on max, then you click on confirm transfer. So we are moving this USDT now from spot wallet to funding. So we need to go back and check our funding wallet to see if the money is there or not. So as you can see, we have 46.43 back in our wallet. So if we want to sell the coin we have bought now, what we do is to click on P2P again. You click on P2P, then it's going to take you to that page. So as you can see on this page now, we have the buy tab up there and we have the sell tab. So we click on sell in order to sell our coin. We click on sell. So if I want to sell now, the way we did the first one, we need to filter out this amount because as you can see on your screen, that some people, this person now want to sell 15 million to 50 million worth of coin. This person, the minimum he can go is 3 million. This person, the minimum he can go is 3 million. So since we don't have up to such amounts, what we need to do is to filter. So we just input the amount we want to sell. Let's say 20,000 naira. So we click on bank transfer. You click on yes. So as you can see, now we have where we can sell our coin. So we have where we can sell our coin now. We can click on this first person, or we click on this. So we also need to consider this for example, these details. You can see that this person only had one trade and is 100%. That means that he only had one trade and he has done that trade successfully. So we can see this person has 3,084 trades and he has been able to complete 6% of his trade. So we need to consider that we don't want to trade with anyone that's having less than 80% up, and we know that 80% is a pass mark. So 80% up, we can deal with them. So that's how you sell. So what we do now, let's say for example we want to sell this coin now. We click on sell, saying it has been updated, so we need to refresh the page. So we click on sell. It has been updated again. Okay, we click on sell and we click on all if you want to sell all that we have in our account. So here we are going to input our payment details that we have already entered. So we click on which one of those accounts we want them to send the money to. If I'm picking Kuda, for example, we're going to pick that, and the person would see it and pay into our account. So that's how to use. This is a live demonstration on how to use the P2P. If you have any question, you can drop it in the box below, so that whenever I see it, I'm going to answer you. So thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Please subscribe to this video so that you will be getting new content as soon as I drop them. Thank you.